How to fix Janitor AI failed to fetch 2025. In this video, I'm going to be fixing a error that people get with Janitor AI, which is called fail to fetch. Now, that happens because Janitor AI fails to fetch information from their server. Now, that either happens because either your internet is slow, so only you can change that. Okay, go ahead and fix your router, get more speed, etc. Or what happens is that the server is overcrowded by a lot of users. So what you're simply going to do is you're going to change the server you're on. And you're going to use the oldest trick in the book to change that by using a VPN. So what you're simply going to do is go ahead and add any VPN far away from your country. So let's say if you're in United States, you're going to add a VPN for Australia or United Kingdom because that is the farthest server that you can think of. So once you've activated that, reload your page and it should fix your fail to fetch error. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Again, if you want to use Janitor AI for yourself, go to the link in the description below to start off right away. And that is pretty much all there is for me. So thank you for watching till the end. Drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.